Steve Boycel, and we live in Westerville, Ohio. Well, initially, about 5 years ago, we had an experience where we had some water in our basement. Called the basement doctor, and people were prompt and kindly and friendly, and that was the beginning of our relationship. But then it went on, and we ended up having a basement system put in part of the basement. We have 2 sump pumps downstairs because we do get a lot of water out here. We've had 2 sump pumps replaced, which the basement doctor has done for us. We've had some electrical work, which the electrician has done for us, and most recently we've had a room, our sump pump room, that was quite noisy, and we had that insulated, and trying to reduce the noise, the amount of noise anyway. The people who have come out have just all been great. Everybody's been very friendly, or very professional. The areas that we have had worked on have been prepped, and then they leave and you wouldn't even know they were here. Everything's so clean, and everybody's been great. That's been our biggest thing that we've loved about the basement doctor have been the people. Our experience has just been great. The problems that we've called for have been very concerning for us with water in the basement. It's a scary thing, and again, there's that confidence that the basement doctor has shown us, and the promptness and just the professionalism. They've just been great. So I would certainly say call you guys. Thank you for helping make our basement a little bit, I should say a lot drier. So thank you.